Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with some baptism invitations. I've made them exactly the same few weeks ago, but my customer came back and she said, I need another two. Monika, can you help me and do two extra invitations? So I thought, okay, I prepared all the elements and I thought it would be nice actually to maybe record it, because I don't think I showed anything like this before. So this one is a baptism invitation. As you can see, has lots of elements and lots of flowers. Actually, it's a really luxury invitation. And my customer, actually the same one, she's my returning customer, and she ordered her wedding invitations from me as well, and it was exactly the same. She just loves flowers, so her wedding invitations were full of flowers, a really dimension of invitations. So this one, she wanted them to be in a box, so I also made boxes. And of course it has this beautiful window. So yes, that's how the invitation looks like. And now I'm going to quickly show you how I put this one together. As you can see, I actually started though on the second one, and I thought, let me just switch on the camera so I can share how I create that. So as you can see, I used red liner tape and I adhered that lace, and I actually glue the ends with double-sided tape, which now I need to release the backing paper. And now I'm going to use liquid glue to adhere that panel on my invitation. I print out the invitations on my printer, so I just print the wording inside. The only thing I forgot to do, I usually print off at the back my name, paperMona handmade, but this time I just forgot because it's actually quite urgent, so I just simply forgot to do it. But I usually print my name at the back as well. So let me just make sure that's straight. And I'm going to use my bone folder to push it down. And now what I do first, I put all the bigger elements first. So I've got the sentiment here. And then once I put all those bigger elements, and then I adhere the leaves and the flowers and everything else. And I do a dry run, always do a dry run, just to make sure that everything is spaced out evenly. Of course, I use, this is the alphabet cutting die set. This one is from Craft Passion. This is a Polish brand, and it comes in a it's a Polish alphabet with Polish letters as well, so I use it very often. And as you can see, it has this beautiful banner shape, which I love, and it's perfect for my project. So let me just make sure that everything's nicely spaced out. Yeah, and I'm happy with that. Let me just have a look at the first one to see if it's exactly the same, because this is quite important. Yes, that's fine. So now I need to remove those backing paper, and as always I'm adding a little bit of liquid glue just to make sure that it will be adhered forever. And because sometimes I think that the glue which is on double-sided tape might dry out with time, and I want people to keep that invitation for as long as they want to. So I'm adhering next letter, and this way I'm not worried that those will be in the wrong places or the gaps will be too big. So once I put the name down, I've got this candle. Of course, it's backed with the foam pads as well, ready for me to use. And I think, yes, the candle, and you will see in a minute that that baby dress is also by Polish brand. So that's another one. And as you can see, the cross, I actually put underneath a bit of silver paper. The same with the candle here over as well. Once I do this, I can play with my flowers. And yes, we had a long consultation on what kind of flowers, which colors, and yes, I actually did show her a few different ways, few different flowers, and she wanted to pick which ones she wanted me to use. And yes, bigger elements are in place already, so now I can put the leaves. Of course, I use a cutting die to cut those leaves, and this is again another Polish brand. And I think maybe you will be able to get them here in the UK. I'm not sure, but if you've got any questions about those cutting dies, just let me know, and I'll try to let you know where you can get them. I'm actually going, yes, in 2 weeks time I'm going to see my parents back home, so I was thinking to buy another set of those leaves for myself again, just because I actually use a lot of them in my projects, and these are perfect for invitations, and I love using them. And I've got this this one is fabric rose, and I got that rose long time ago, so I still got few in different colors as well, and this one is just perfect for this project. And she really wanted to have blue and white flowers on those invitations. For her wedding invitations, I was buying, especially for her invitations, I was buying a lot of pink and purple flowers. You see, this one is actually falling apart because I had to remove the back just to make it not that tall. Actually, let me overlap, and another bit here. So I love using those fabric flowers, and I was actually thinking about learning how to create my own fabric flowers. I even bought a special tool. It's like a hot iron and you have to buy special fabric, and you have to treat that fabric in specific way, like prepare for shaping those flowers. But I still didn't have the time to play with it. So now next stage is adding this one. So let me put this one first. See, it's not as easy as you would think to put those flowers, because she really, her brief was, I don't want to see too much blank spaces on the invitation. So this is what was her initial brief for those invitations. So I need to keep it to the design we agreed on. So yes, and I think I need to put another leaf here on the top to cut off that end, because I don't need it. I just need to tuck it under a little bit, but it still has to be visible. So yes, this is that was a quite long process of consultation with my customer, but this is a returning customer, and I'm really happy that she's back to order some more things. And actually even today she asked for another thing for me to create for her, which is really nice. So I've got this white rose going over here just to hide this space over here. Yes, and I need to put leaves here, a few more bits and pieces, and it's almost done. I've got more of those leaves, but I need the small ones. Yes, those ends. So now I need to remove those strings. I need to add a little bit of glue, because with this hot glue you just need a little bit, and that's more than enough. Little dot. And she wanted another flower just here on the side. And now I need, let me see, and that sample, I need another leaf here. So as you can see, it's really it's like a very luxury invitation. Need to add some hot glue underneath here. Yeah. Oh, and those strings from the hot glue, yeah, they are just all over the place. I will clean it up after. I'll make sure that they are all removed before I give her those invitations. So I hope you have a nice day, that you crafting. Let me know, what are you creating lately? What have you created recently? And have you came up with a new project maybe, or you are actually creating that our new fancy fold card, which is bridge card. I hope you've seen my video for that pop-up bridge card. I really still love that project a lot. I was so happy with the result, and when I read those the comments you left, some of you left under that video, I was really happy. That was actually a wedding card. If you missed that video, I'm going to link it at the end of this one, so you can check it out and maybe create your own. And remember about our Facebook group, and that we will be actually doing some lives from now on. So this is my card. It's actually an invitation. This is the first one, and of course this one will be in the box as well. As you can see, it's the same as the first one. I hope you like this one, and would just let me know, what do you think about it? Do you make invitations, or you don't actually create any project for anyone? It's just for yourselves, or friends and family, just to give away. So I hope you like this project. Let me know, what do you think about it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.